English alphabets. A to Z. A for apple. Apple.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
B.
P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
B for
W, X, Y,
ball.
and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Ball.
time, won't you sing with me?
C.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
C
J, K,
for
L, M, N, O, P,
cat.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
D. D for dog. Dog.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
E.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
E for
T, U,
elephant.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Elephant.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
F. F for
A, B, C, D, E, F,
fish.
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
fish.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
G.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
G for goat. Goat. H. H for horse. Horse. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
J.
with me?
J for
A, B, C,
jug.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Jug.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
K.
Now I know my ABCs. Next
K
time,
for
won't you sing with me?
kite. Kite. L. L for
C, D, E, F,
lion.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Lion.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
M for monkey.
A,
Monkey.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
N.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
N for
Now I know
nest.
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
nest. for queen.
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
Queen.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
R.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
R for rabbit.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Rabbit.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
Yes.
sing with me?
S for sheep. Sheep.
A, B, C,
T.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
T
N, O, P,
for
Q, R,
tiger.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Tiger.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
U for umbrella.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Umbrella.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
V.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
V
sing
for
with me?
van. Van. W. W for watch. Watch.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
X.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
X for
Q, R,
xylophone.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Xylophone.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Y.
A, B,
Y
C,
for
D, E, F, G,
yak.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
Yak.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Z for zebra. Zebra. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you. Bye bye.